pills and sleeping in a car. Breathing out, I'm forced to breathe back in. The panic setting in. Let me out so I can get back in. I'm freaking out again. Got something in my system. She said, why you gotta take it so far? Excuse me, I'm out of